We came to visit one intelligent startup that's helping to monitor our health and well-being. I'm here with Ruth Polyakin, the co-founder and CEO of MindYou. Hi, Ruth.
Good to meet you.
Tell us about this wonderful product you've developed.
Our mission is to improve the quality of life of senior adults through AI-based solutions that allows practitioners to scale and provide more personalized cognitive and functional care to their clients.
How do you actually achieve that?
We have occupational therapists using our platform to conduct remote calls with their clients in their home environment while we analyze the voice of their clients. And at the same time, the clients continue their lives in between calls, speaking to their grandchildren, to their friends, and our app continuously monitors different aspects of their daily living and cognitive functioning abilities.
So you're able to track the habits of a senior citizen, whether they're talking in a happy way or talking in a depressed way, and then you analyze the data and you format that in a way based on the amalgamation of different results that you have from different patients who are not connected to that physician, but you're able to give him a recommendation based on the vast amount of data you have on patients.
We identify changes that require the right care at the right time.
We're certainly not getting any younger, so we're excited that there are technologies that are checking and validating what's the best way to age and to protect us and to make sure that you're monitored. And it's obviously quite a good thing to help you sleep at night, to know that you have a loved one who's in a certain period of their life and there is some kind of monitoring that's going on there. And often you might find things which were never discovered, but you're able to discover it just based on their behavioral patterns or their voice analysis or something.
Right.